welcome back to my channel. Today, I promised to make more fidgets. And if you guys want to see the part 1 video, look in the link in the description that I'm going to post it. But now we're going to make a puppet. And look what I did earlier. It's a puppet. But now I'm gonna show you how to make it. Let's go. Alright guys, and remember, before we start, hit that like button down below and subscribe button right there. Boom, boom. And if you like it, then it'll turn it into blue thumbs up. And then let's get started. And if you did, then you'll be awesome and it'll be amazing. Now let's start being crafty. Come check it out. Guys, look who came to visit! It's Mommy! He's so cute. He said, like my channel and subscribe because I love you all. He's so cute. But now let's get started. Wait, what? He said, let's start crafty. For this project, we'll need 2 colored papers, clear film, scissors, cardboard, marker, paint, ruler, and pencil, even paper, so that we can draw any shape we want, like butterfly, because I love butterflies flying around. But now let's draw a butterfly. Oh wait, I forgot to mention, you guys, that it has to be 8 inches and 6 inches. And now, let's start drawing. Now, let's use scissors. Just like that. And I also cut out circles. You should have. And it looks like this. But you can also cut out circles, but you can use any circles, like paper roll or cookie cutter, or you can use anything else, like this lid, the lid, and you can use anything. But now, let's start cutting the cardboard next. So now we'll need to trace line and then cut it. It would be hard, so ask an adult to help you cut it. Voila. Now let's put it off. Ta-da! They look the same shape, don't they? And remember, the holes is very dangerous, so ask an adult to help. So let's start tracing it. Let's start with this. And now trace it. It might take a while, so abracadabra. Now that we've drawn this butterfly, the inside is good, but the outside we have to leave it a little larger, and I'll tell you why later. But now let's start cutting it with a little help of scissors. Speaking of magic, let's start cutting it. With a little help, let's start. I cut the shape, but now I'll show you how to cut the circle. Let's go. But first, I have to finish the circle. Just like that. Just like that. But now I'll show you. First, you start doing this. Look, okay, it's again. Hello, I put the thing away all that. I want to see. Now I'll show. So, you start cutting. Well, I did a great job with this. But now let's start making lines around. Just like that. But now, let's start bending over and then cut the circle shape. You have to hold it so that it doesn't fly off. Now continuing on. I finished cutting, but now let's start copying it to trace on the other paper. But oops, this paper is too small. But that's okay, I have a trusty friend here. Don't need this. I have the biggest trusty friend here, which is the shiniest, greenish one. We'll start cutting on that side, just in case we won't get in too much space. And now let's start drawing. Just like that. It takes too much time. But now, watch this. Watch the magic. We start doing like that. Now, abracadabra. And just like that, it's cut off. But except for some, it has to be the same shape. But now we'll use plastic film with some leftovers, like these two. We have to make sure we'll make it extra big so that we can fit make a puppet. Now, let's start cutting it. Ta-da! Just like that, it's cut. But now all we have to do is we have to make a little line, but we have to see where the center is. So, make a little line. Now, we start folding it just like that. And now we'll use a scotch. We'll use a scotch to make it. And just like that, it sticks. Now, we'll need another one to start. Sticking like that, but now let's get cutting and sticking. Just like that, and now, just like how I just do, I use the tape to tape the circle so that we won't lose it, because we are going to put a layer. But now I'll show you how to do it. So we stick our puppets in the cardboard. Now we'll start gluing and stick this on the cardboard so that no one can see it. But the first one we have to do is this. It is the paper. This is the color paper. Yeah, it was a little dangerous to use hot glue, so ask an adult to help. Might use a little closer. Okay, finished. Now we Now we finished sticking the color paper, but now we have to stick the sticker paper. You have to check the size. It looks great. Now take it off and start peeling the paper. Now we have to check where it is. Very close so you can see. And now I'll tell you about the borders. You'll need to start connecting the borders so that we won't see the cardboard. It might be a little sticky, but you have to start being careful. Okay, now that we have some leftover from the leftover glitter stickers, get it? Glitter stickers. We'll start decorating the butterflies with them. Let's get decorating. Beautiful butterfly popping. Now let's pop it. Guys, I love this toy. This is the coolest toy. Look, Maxie, do you like it? And guys, it matches Maxie's bowl. It's so cute. Maxie, you're the cutest dog. Maxie said, I like it. It's so cute. Cute Poppet. Maxie, oh Maxie, you are a cute boy in the world. Yeah! He's such a cutest boy. Okay guys, so the next one is the bonus fidget. But now, let's start making it. And it's too easy. Only ingredient is glue and glitter. Glitter party. Dun, 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 dun. For now, let's start making. Also, we have the paper too, so that we can cut it off and then cover it with the scissors. It's a scissor here. Yeah. Now let's get making. Let's start making the relaxing thing. And now the first one we have to do is that we'll open up this bag and then put the glitter. Let's start putting it. Just a little bit, a little bit. Now let's pour in the bead. And now we start putting glue. And just like that, I'll put the glue away. And now we'll start closing it up because you don't want the glue to be messy, right? Now this is what I made. Okay, now that we've finished making this squishy bag, let's say the squishy bag, you can name anything. The next one that we are gonna make is that we'll use foam paper and any colored paper you may use to make the case for the squishy bag, let's say. But now let's get started. So, and remember, it has to be twice as tall as the squishy bag. You can name anything than squishy bag. And this way it has to be. For the case, so that you can see well, like you can see. Finish. And now all we have to do is open the paper. And now we have to start putting the tape on this bag so that no glue can come out. There. And just like that, let's start decorating it. Because no other case can be nice without decoration. Let's use this leftover from earlier. You can make any picture. I think I have a great plan. In the inside, let's make this. Let's make like an app. The app one is so cool. Check the measurements. Make sure we will make a phone. So there, just like that. And now apps. I think I have more glitter there. More glitters, more apps. Remember guys, you need to make a little circle around this area of this pointy thing. Pointy for the square, because it has to be like a real app. check out my squishy bag, you guys. And one moment. Hello. Do you like this channel? I love you too. And this is the greatest part, that I have my squishy bag. And I'm talking to the phone. Can you guys talk? Hello, I'm not talking to the phone. Hello. And I like to text anyone with a big phone. This is the coolest and the greatest squishy bag ever. Or should I say my phone? But it's really amazing. And I don't know if I can do any apps better. But look. This to this. Exhale to this and the heart. It's like a little wallet, but it's a phone. Like, hello, I like you, bye. And you guys, if you like to see more fidgets like these, then make sure you subscribe and like this channel. And now, we'll see you next time. One moment, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye, guys. I'm flying away.